In Turkey, İstikbal is not just a brand. It's the country's leading furniture brand. Since our foundations were laid in 1957, we have been working around the clock, getting bigger and better, working diligently on quality. Our innovative and creative production approach is put to work every day on 4 campuses, totaling nearly 550,000 square meters, of which 232,000 square meters are covered areas. From the springs to the fabric, the panel to the foam, all the materials necessary for producing our furniture and mattresses are manufactured at our own integrated facilities. When it comes to production, we believe in the importance of handiwork to accompany the superior technology. The world's furniture is manufactured at these facilities with 3,500 employees working side by side. İstikbal derives its strength from its qualified human resources know-how, latest technology production capacity, and advanced logistics means. In the quest for the best, İstikbal has put innovation at the center of all processes. İstikbal not only carries out its own quality testing, but also provides official testing services for other manufacturers, applying for Turkish Standards Institute verification. Alongside furniture, İstikbal provides the latest innovations in sleep technologies as well. Over 1 million mattresses are produced at İstikbal facilities each year. İstikbal remains environmentally conscious through all production processes. We have prioritized the reduction of our production carbon footprint, determined by periodic measurements through ecological projects. İstikbal's fleet of hundreds works day and night to deliver to 81 cities throughout Turkey. From the USA to Kazakhstan, France to Greece, Bulgaria to England and Germany, we are constantly improving to become the leading brand in over 100 countries. Supported with the confidence of being a great family of 10,000 strong, İstikbal stores greet customers every morning at over 1,000 sales locations in the world. We are proud to design and produce products that cater to varying lifestyles and habits, meet universal standards, and are safe and environmentally friendly. Just like it has been